Welcome to Wazobia TV, the Ogbonge television station wey dey inside Obodo, Nigeria. And we dey on top of GoTV channel 98. This na the action politic discussion program as e dey hot. Every weekday from 10 go reach 11, Monday through Friday don turn to Christmas. Sake of say, all the topic where they come out smoke inside Nigerian political boxing ring, we go carry am, drop am down, chook mouth inside, give you license to chook mouth inside the whole arrangement, and talk am the way when the thing be you for body, so that those where the matter concern go do well to move this our country forward. My name na Ezu Gochokwode, and as usual, I know they alone inside studio. I deal with my brother when Sabu where I stay concerning political matter as e dey hot.
Yes, and my own name now, Nkubi. Welcome to today's edition of Ask It Dey Hot. And for those of us now where they watch us on GoTV, we they relate. And for those of now where we say usually not terrestrial, later in the day, now go do it and I will feel follow suit. And today's battle no go different from the regulars. We go discuss issues. Hot issues where we say we concern you and I on top of them today's edition. The program as I talked earlier now Ask It Dey Hot.
Today, on top of As E Dey Hot, the one we go discuss now issue where we say it dey really come up plenty smoke inside Obodo, Nigeria, and it get to do with the missing 2.1 billion US dollars arms money. When we say some people deep hand inside the pocket of our country to take and buy weapon for our soldier people to tidy Boko Haram and also ensure say security set for inside this our Obodo, Nigeria. But from the investigations when we say they don't conduct, they can see say some people collect from waiting they don't call promo or bonanza of this money as the office of the National Security Advisor before Oga Sambo Dasuki just they share them, they give some kind of people. Multiple news outlets don't come out, come identify. I go talk for the language when everybody understand. Then finger some people say they say follow chop inside the money. Other people don't come out, come they explain say this money when they talk say I collect, not be from this person I collect them, I collect them from this other person. But in the end, Nigerians they believe say this particular case, this fight against corruption will not start for this first half. So say if we see them to logical conclusion, we go beat our chest say yes, indeed, we don't carry the right leg to fight corruption. All of the latest gist inside this story from who they face waiting, who collect waiting, who spend waiting, what we go do them. Now waiting we go discuss on top of As E Dey Hot today. You self get the right to chook mouth inside the matter. Remember say we dey talk and say on top of GoTV channel 98 where we don dey so make you spread the word, tell your loved ones all the way to Lafia, all the way to Afikpo. Tell them say the Ogbonge program when they speak the language when everybody understand as it take concern the matter when they affect us for inside Obodo, Nigeria don't land.
When some set of people will come and talk, say they no collect them directly from they no collect them directly from
mention their name, mention their name.
What is that?
Mention their name. No, they talk say when some set of people mention name, we are speaking the truth to Nigerians. Make Nigerians begin to understand, say, now the truth will they talk. No, they talk say when some set of people, who be the set of people? When some set, mention their names. Shebi you know the fear. Mention.
I will say it the way I wish and I would want to say it.
Then say the truth and let the truth set you free.
As a matter of fact, now the truth I they say, and now as I want to present my own truth, now I want to present them.
Nkubi, see, soup when we say person leak.
No even mention soup because already now the soup where you leak where hot, now you burn this your lips where we say you never still heal after how many days. It is even, I am not even, Nigerians, could the camera please pan to his mouth, make we see lips where burn as a result of hot soup where you leak. No can't they give talk me can't they give me that kind of not even mention soup leaking here because you're a victim. Why are you quiet?
You know why you dey fear? You know why you dey fear?
Don't give me that.
You know why you dey fear? You see, everybody knows.
I'm not scared. I don't dey fear anything.
Everybody knows say if we people when we say that they stand up, that they speak the truth, that they share one particular trait.
So you
from the Zik of Africa, Nnamdi Azikiwe.
Akoko story.
Obafemi Awolowo.
Historian.
Nelson Mandela.
Historian.
Julius Nyerere.
Oniton. Masolo.
And myself, we share something in common.
Hey.
You know why?
Hey.
You know why?
You say people they stand on the waiting on the fact of truth. I know where they stand on the truth. Are you standing?
You don't
they even talk that one self. No, they even bring that one.
You should not even be mentioning standing.
No, I accept my own side. I'm sitting
You no
down.
go first the topic wey we carry come today.
I wan talk. Now you carry me sweet. Now you sweet.
I say make you mention the names of
And
people
I'm
wey
not mentioning.
you must mention.
I'm not mentioning.
You must mention.
Look, the talk is my talk, and I have the right to use my mouth to talk it the way I want
Nigerians
to talk
have the right to listen to the truth. You must
Nigerians are
mention.
listening. The way I go talk and go make Nigerians understand.
Okay, complete your talk.
So what I was saying is, people when they talk come and talk say, look, somehow say they don't collect the money directly from one particular person. Say somehow now from another person will link up to the person. The question I want to ask you say the money where you work for. You understand? If not the money where you work for, somehow money reach your hand. You ask questions, say where this money they come from. No. Now, somehow the money don't enter your hand. Maybe the doctor can do what he go do. You can't just talk, say the money don't come directly from the person where then they accuse, say, na him be the overall organ of this matter. So the question is, how are you related to the money? Did you work for the money? That is the question. Chuku the rider.
No, they
now
tell me say.
I want talk.
Now you ask question, cause they tell me say make I write down.
I want you to answer.
Write down on what? Write down on the question when you ask, when you just ask am like say now under tree, because I know say you get so many village experience.
My own mother
Under mango tree night story. You come here they talk say some set of people they collect money, you work for the money. Say it as it is. Say it as it is. Oga Sabo Dansuki, former national security advisor, suppose he get money $2.1 billion when we say they earmark am to do wetin to procure weapons for our soldier people to take tidy Boko Haram. But it can't be like say from the investigation when they don't carry out and the evidence when they available now say some people benefit from this money when we say they're supposed to use and procure arms for our soldier people them. Wetin be the latest inside this matter? You come here they tell us say some set of people. Who be this set of people? You no wan gree mention. Wetin they use the money do? You no wan gree talk. Why are you afraid? Are you not the man of truth? Are you not the man of justice? If your hands are clean, you go talk. Unkubi, they suspect you. You go submit your phone number. Give the relevant agencies. They must conduct a thorough investigation. It be like say you self follow.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. What did you just say now?
What did I just say? What?
No,
what did I just say? What? When you dey fear to talk the truth, what do you mean? What did I just say?
Wait, wetin be mean of wetin you talk now?
Wetin I dey talk?
No, wetin you dey try tell me?
Wetin I dey talk? Wetin I dey talk?
You dey try, wetin you try do? You try me fit draw sympathy for yourself.
No be draw sympathy.
They try draw attention to
Nigerians know who is speaking. Nigerians know who is speaking the truth.
Don't you ever accuse me of wetin I don't even know of. If they talk about 2.1 billion, I take relate with me. Eh? People where they suppose they mention, you know, they don't know. You can't look me. What is that?
Okay, Unkubi.
Before I had to mention names, I'm not in the mood to mention names.
Before we call reach the one we say you can't answer question on top.
Make we continue. What is meaning of me answering question?
It's dependent on the question you answer.
Are you my lecturer?
It's dependent on the question you answer.
Are you my teacher?
Nigerians are demanding to know.
We will give them the way they should know.
Thank you very much, and you must give them the truth. Number one, we hear say gist when don't come out. We say. Oga Sabo Dansuki, be like say the case when we say in the face, now something when we say he go need plenty time to fit prove his innocence because before three courts, 47 count charge, now they don't slam, now they don't give am. The thing now without they see systematic increase from 6 to 19, from 19 now the thing now the total 47. It be like say as they conduct thorough investigation, they go more information and facts they come out. It go there important make we point them out say all the relevant agencies when we say that they carry out this investigation, make sure say they do their homework well so that this case go get a speedy process in the sense say and not be say judge go come and tell them say make them go back go do their paperwork well before they come back. If we don't prepare say okay yes so we won't fight against corruption and it be like say some people get case to answer make them appear make them answer now. If government gather all the evidence when they get they can't table am before these people make these people do it because the fact say we don't see say it be like say one way can't let they enter inside the arrangement of say we dey fight corruption for this country now make Nigerians know they believe if government come at us say they won't fight corruption. That's number one, and that's the truth. And Nigerians know who is speaking the truth. Number two, the oga patapata of the ogbonge media agency when they inside obodo Nigeria, High Chief Raymond Dokpesi, they give am some kind condition, say if he fulfill this condition, he go get bail. But he be like saying he don't meet the requirements because information come out yesterday say they see am for one Christmas carol when they do for inside Obodo.
Hey, say, don't do. You for your mind now, if you say you don't talk with that, I mean, we don't hear. Thank you for at least giving us some of these names. But then,
which one be thank me for giving?
No, you don't give out name. Now why they looking like that?
Which one be thank you for?
No,
giving?
why they look as if they say something with wrong?
Wait. Why you cut the talk come out from my mouth?
Because of course I have the floor to talk when I want to talk.
Which floor do you have to talk? When I give you opportunity to talk, when you don't want to mention them, you were dilly-dallying.
Mentioning the names will be appropriate for you.
How will it be appropriate for me?
Now you be the person with that name mentioning go fit. Because more so we are not mentioning when we see you that trouble.
Why you can't bring your voice down?
I have to bring my voice down. Consider my height, I beg.
Hey, Nigerians, it's now clear. It's now obvious.
That what?
That I am the man of truth and I am the man of justice.
What did I tell you now?
What did you tell me?
No, what did I tell you now?
Why you gonna bring your voice down when it reach to tell Nigerians the truth?
I bring voice down. You follow me, bring voice down.
How they follow you bring voice down?
Because you understand the language that they speak.
I came down to the level that you were trying to bring me to. But because of, say, my mind and my conscience, therefore the part of Nigerian people, the part of truth, fairness, equity, justice, accountability, responsibility, I go come decide, say, I go continue to speak the truth. Who could be, you see, it's already clear. It is written that by their fruit you shall know them. This is your soya beans behavior. Soya beans behavior. If I see you, I see beans.
Enough.
But you are trying to bring out soya beans.
Enough. It don't do you.
If I see you, I see yam.
It don't do you.
But you are trying to bring out cocoa.
You want me to mention names?
Mention names.
You want me to mention names? What do you this was there? You don't take a person as if it is as if you mention name. I give you like I'm sure say at it, I give you something so that you go feel lift out from there. Because
no give me any now relay race. Don't give me anything. Lift your own. I don't lift my own. Lift your own voice.
Anyway, Nigerians, because of say Chukwu don't insist, say make we dey mention names ago. And part of the people where they don't also do it, where they don't also point finger give. And now one former director of finance at the office of the NSA, will be Oga Shaibu Salisu. This person said they are among the people where they don't talk, say, look, somehow, he gets hand there for the money sharing level. And they can also mention, implicate a former general manager for NNPC, will be Oga Aminu Babakusa. Some of these people are, people will say, if you look their level, then strong, and somehow there's also connected to the money sharing level. And some other names where we don't do it, where we are aware of, like the former governor of Sokoto State, Oga Bafarawa, where they also mentioned, and a couple of other people. So right about now the matter, the investigations they go around, we don't hear say yes, at least. More people are still being uncovered on top of this matter, and they're uncovering it. We also know how far this money thing don't go, so at least we will know where will they head to on top of this case.
Very, very true. But some information when they come out, we say some people, even though they never give information, say now like this the thing happen, but they talk say some people don't they return
their own because one senator talk and say they don't get a particular sum, say they don't they return. But it does not end there.
Exactly.
It does not end there.
Exactly.
It won't end there. Make it not just end there.
Uncle, you know why my mind is sweet me now?
Why?
Because the spirit of justice that is in me, it be like say,
hey, don't bring in any spirit of justice. I've always been saying it. I had my reason for whispering that why I whisper to you, say, look, make we. You can't make her look as if knowledge they talk true, as if I don't know what in truth be, as if I don't speak truth for Nigeria.
But now you just come now when you talk say it shouldn't end there, it will not end there. But initially when we first start,
Nigerians know me as person wey say once I don't make up my mind to spill it out, I spill it out, Chukudi, and that is what I am doing.
Okay, continue to spill.
So may I continue?
Why you bring your voice down again?
You take them off from there.
When did we take them off? Now you they talk before I
don't. You know when people they fight wrestling and they see say one person done this, he go shake his partner will come.
This is not wrestling. Don't pass it to me. You been the talk say it will not end here. We will not let it end here. Continue from there.
Okay. For the benefit of Nigerians, we don't follow on this particular matter. Make I continue from where I stopped. Yes, as I talked earlier, I say make it no end there. And one of the reasons why I say make it no end there, we don't see cases of say they don't grant people certain bills. And they don't pay certain huge amount of money. According to what Chuku they talk, the Oga Katakata of that communication, that is the Oga Raymond Dokpesi, we hear say somehow say he don't meet the requirement we cut and put on top of his head. And part of the requirement now, one particular huge amount of money where you go need to do it, where you go need to put in place. And then we don't hear say that money don't come into place. But then the question comes and say, our judiciary and our court case. How far from here? Because if somehow they don't look into somebody's case and we hear say yes, this person somehow they involved for this particular thing, and they bring attached conditions, say, okay, bail conditions and all that. Make we not just see and say it they end there, because over time, over years, it just be like say the bails, the huge amount of bails that people they normally bring in, now like substitute for the offense where they commit, and once they don't present that bail, we're not going to hear that matter again.
Exactly.
And I just they fear make me say all these people they capture, whether they accuse, whether they hear say don't they return money, make it not be say now the same trend you go follow. They go return one particular sum and in the end they not go follow due process. Follow due process, say that they look into the case. Follow the process, every say they don't indict them for that reason. Make them go the necessary punishment where they're supposed to go. I mean, let us tell ourselves some good truth, you know.
Exactly. And
I mean, you can see me, I'm spilling out the truth.
Yeah. The spirit of justice don't enter
you. No, I have always had it in me.
You have not had it in you.
I've always had the spirit.
You have not had it in you. You have had the spirit of
No, now you go get the spirit of magomago, it now what you want to call them. Or the spirit of craftiness. Now you go get them. Don't give me that hand language. Because every Nigerian know what this sign means. One person does do like this. Every Nigerian know. Don't present it to me, please. Present it to yourself, because that is what fits you more.
Okay, make we continue.
Thank you.
Now, our Senate President, Oga Bukola Saraki, don't come out to talk, say, if we check the way, many of these charges now, you get to do with, say, he gets money, when we say they don't put plenty eye inside, the money, somebody spend them anyhow, somebody carry the money, he use the money, he do the money anyhow, all those kind of things. Income blame the the legislature. In talk say, if we look the matter where say the legislature suppose do what they call oversight function on top of all this money, because first and foremost, everybody knows say government now collective responsibility. You go do your own part, this person go do your own part, the other person go do your own part. And if we check the way in our government day, we get the executive arm, the legislative arm, and the judicial arm. Yeah. Now, if we get these three arms, and three of them supposed to be watchdog, they're supposed to check each other. They see, okay, you they behave well, you they behave well.
Let me ask you one question, cheaply. Oga Saraki, where they talk, was it not part of the last
Exactly. He know they exonerate himself. What thing they talk, they say, if to say the legislature do the work when they're supposed to do, all this kind of
for example, at least he's the Senate president now. Making carry
the 6 count charge, money laundering there inside. The 19 count charge, then we talk about 132 billion when we say they don't know as it take disappear. For the 22 count charge, they talk about 13.6 billion. If you join all these 47 together, money plenty. And the way when the setup day, before you carry money when belong to everybody, the people, you get people when we say now their responsibility to ensure say this money you carry them through the right way, and you do this, you spend the money the way you're supposed to spend them. If you don't spend them that way, they'll begin to ask questions.
Yes.
But if you get to when you be like say the legislature, maybe they all look say, okay, we believe in you, go and do it, go and use it. Now all these things when they come out, this one now call to the present legislature when we get now, say make them sit up. So that this same thing will happen before, it no go happen again. We don't go get situation when we say people go just decide, say, okay, now our office go use do this thing, we go do it. Not be say you no go do it, not be say people no trust you, but in truth, if you dey preside over the commonwealth of the people, accountability and responsibility supposed to be 110%. And if we don't get that kind of one for government, then we say monkey hand, not the enter inside the arrangement. So I happy as we take talk and say, Oga Saraki na part of the system.
Because
and now when you now become Senate President, what is supposed to na ensure?
At least
I go like make you use the same voice, but this time louder, talk am again, make the full
I don't talk Nigerians don't hear the first time.
Talk am again, because those wey matter that they watch now and they go hear am.
I don't talk am before.
Why you dey fear to talk am again now?
No be for this same set platform I talk am.
Oh yeah, talk am again.
In fact, Oga Chukwudi, they call us.
You go still talk that, you know.
No, they put me hand. Oga Chukwudi, they call us. What is the meaning of that? Oga Chukwudi, good morning, Jare.
Good morning, Kubi.
Yes.
Good morning, Chukwudi.
Oga Chukwudi, good morning and welcome to Aside Hot.
Thank you very much. But it's unfortunate we are not hearing your voice on television.
We don't hear our voice.
Then they work on now with time.
Okay. I believe I've read the program on the screen.
Okay.
Now, you see, that office of the National Security Advisor is a very sacred office. And besides, it's just like asking the state governors, how do you expend their security votes? That office is one office that is sacrosanct because the person there advised the president on the security, in fact, on the whole well-being of the country. Now, money allocated to that office, honestly speaking, is money meant to stabilize the polity. And mind you, all the actions taken by Dasuki were approved by the president. He should have gone to Otuoke to bring Jonathan and ask him, why did you approve this money? He acted on the instructions of his principal, which is the president of this Federal Republic of Nigeria as at then. Now, it amounts to asking governors, come and show us how do you spend security money. You collect every month millions of naira. Much as we are saying that it's not a conduit pipe for siphoning public fund or misappropriate, but that office is used to stabilize the polity as it concerns security and well-being of the people. It's just, you see, let me tell you something. If you want to clear the intestine of a cow, it should not be done in the public. It's always done in the backyard. If you kill a cow now and you want to process the intestine, you take it to the backyard. The reason is that there are a lot of things inside. There are things inside that should be known and be seen by people who are supposed to be there. It's not for public consumption. That office is sacred. I must tell you, let them tarry a while before they expose certain things in this country. Thank you very much.
Thank you very, very much, Oga Chukwudi, for that contribution. And make you continue to tell the people for Owerri. That is your people there for Owerri. Say, look, Wazobia TV, don't do it. Don't enter Go TV. And make them go do it. Make them quickly go get their own. For them to be able to at least enjoy our programs. Yes, Chukwudi, don't hear
Oga Chukwudi. See, Omukubi.
Don't. I know why you are about dragging this issue. Make we address with Chukwudi talk, because in this case, Chukwudi that called us is different from your own Chukwudi.
But Chukwudi
that called us, I don't know officially, it might not be as tall as your own Chukwudi.
But Chukwudi is Chukwudi.
It is a name.
Chukwudi is Chukwudi.
It is a name.
What is in a name?
Chukwudi, that's just the name. The personality might be different.
But we they speak the same thing and we they talk the truth.
If not me, no,
quickly, make we rush, enter inside break.
As if not me.
I don't want to go break now. Wait till me all this one.
Look, don't you ever enter where they call for break. I can't chip in. You can't the one on top. Don't you ever.
Our people when they are.
Don't you ever.
Make we go break, come back.
Don't you ever.
Can you see yourself?
See myself. Over what?
Over which one is over what?
Over what?
What do you mean over what? What do you mean over what?
Don't tell me that.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make you sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.